Okay, this is the second part of the video. Okay, because I had to take a minute, sorry about that. But I didn't screw it on all the way, but I wanted to kind of show you that I'm getting it on to wanted to mount it, not getting it on. Anyway, I wanted to make sure that I at least put it on properly and show you that you can literally just tighten down the screws a little bit with your hand. Okay, and then the other one that's up under here, it's a little it's a little bit tricky, and I know you can't really see that one that I'm tightening down, but you can see my fingers moving, so but I'm tightening down that one as well with my hand. Okay, all right, and like I said, a lot of times, a lot of these projects are very simple, very easy, and you know, you don't have to go. Sometimes just do your research, because sometimes it pays to do your research on a lot of things. And then my dad, he fixed and knows about cars. Okay, so a lot of times I ask him about things, and now, so I'm using my tool, my 8, and I have an extender on this. Some people say don't use an extender, but you have to, because it's like you have that, as you can see. And you want to have it on not tight as in like to break the screw, but tight enough that you know that, okay, the next time that it's, you know, it's like it's tight enough where the seal is on and it's not moving. You got the kind of, you know, make sure. Okay, so we put that to the side. So this is the top part of that. Same thing, it's a little bit different, but you snap that onto there. Okay, that part goes onto there, and then you have that same part that you taken off, that hose that you taken off. Okay, and then you are literally just sliding it back on. Okay, so that is my part 2 to my video. Sorry it took me so long, but you know, I want to make sure I had it on right, and I wanted to make sure that for the ladies or gentlemen, but mostly I do my videos for the ladies. Just to let you know, just a picture, I am a young lady, and I try to do videos, but I never post. So this time my sister said post some videos for ladies, so they'll know how to fix cars and different things like that, and save money as well. So I hope this is helpful for some guy or some lady, and that I will be posting more of my videos to help out those who may not think they can't do it. You can, just takes a little time. But anyway, there it is. So I'm going to go around, kind of crank up the car, and let's see if I got it connected good. Woo! I never heard that. If you heard that, woo, I've never heard that before. So, looks like I got everything connected right. Hopefully I have no more issues. And there's other things I gotta fix. I have some videos on how to do spark plugs, and how to change the air filter, how to do your batteries. If you do any wiring on your car, most of the time you want to take out the battery, take the battery wire off. You don't have to take both, but if you disconnect one of the wires, Most of the time, most people unconnect the red. And how to replace filters, even how to do the ban on the timing belt on your car, radiator as well. So thank you guys, and I hope that you can come back to my channel again. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Bye bye.